Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of small space decorating and interior design. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment or a compact house, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to make the most of your space without compromising on style. Let's get started. Decorating small spaces can be both a challenge and an opportunity. The constraints of a cozy apartment or a compact house force us to be creative and efficient, making every inch count. However, these limitations also provide a chance to explore innovative solutions and personalized touches that might not be considered in larger spaces. This video will cover essential tips and tricks to maximize your small space, ensuring it's stylish, functional, and uniquely yours. Maximizing vertical space. When dealing with limited square footage, vertical space becomes a crucial ally. Utilizing your walls for storage and decoration can significantly increase the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your room. Floating shelves are an excellent option, as they keep the floor clear while providing a platform for displaying books, plants, and decorative items. Tall bookcases can draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of a taller room and offering ample storage for various belongings. Wall-mounted storage units are another practical solution, especially in areas like the kitchen or bathroom where floor space is at a premium. Hooks, pegboards, and hanging baskets can hold everything from utensils to toiletries, keeping surfaces clutter-free. By thinking vertically, you can transform your walls into valuable real estate that enhances both the style and efficiency of your space. Multifunctional furniture. In small spaces, every piece of furniture should earn its keep. Multifunctional furniture is a game-changer, providing more than one use and saving precious space. Sofa beds or futons, for example, offer comfortable seating during the day and can be easily converted into a guest bed at night. This dual functionality is perfect for studios or one-bedroom apartments where accommodating overnight guests can be a challenge. Ottomans with hidden storage are another versatile option. They can serve as footrests, extra seating, or even coffee tables while concealing blankets, magazines, or kids' toys. Coffee tables that extend or lift to become dining tables or workspaces are ideal for those who need to maximize their living area. By choosing furniture that serves multiple purposes, you can maintain a clutter-free environment and ensure that every item in your home contributes to its overall functionality and style. Light and bright colors. Color has a profound impact on the perception of space. Light and bright colors can make a room feel larger and more open, which is particularly important in small spaces. Whites, creams, and pastels are excellent choices for walls, ceilings, and large furniture pieces. These colors reflect light, creating an airy and expansive atmosphere. If you prefer a bit more color, consider incorporating it through accent pieces like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. These pops of color can add personality and warmth to the space without overwhelming it. Additionally, using a monochromatic color scheme with varying shades and textures can create a cohesive and visually appealing look that enhances the sense of spaciousness. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors are invaluable tools in small space decorating. They reflect light and create the illusion of a larger area, making any room feel more open and bright. Placing a large mirror opposite a window can maximize natural light, bouncing it around the room and enhancing the overall ambience. Reflective surfaces like glass tables, shiny tiles, and metallic decor can also contribute to this effect. These elements not only add a touch of elegance and modernity, but also help distribute light throughout the space. By strategically using mirrors and reflective surfaces, you can significantly enhance the sense of space and light in your home. Decluttering and smart storage solutions. Decluttering is essential in maintaining a spacious and organized environment. In small spaces, it's crucial to keep only what you need and love. Regularly assess your belongings and let go of items that no longer serve a purpose or bring joy. Smart storage solutions can help you keep everything tidy and out of sight. Underbed storage boxes are perfect for stashing away seasonal clothing, shoes, or extra linens. Over-the-door organizers can hold everything from shoes to cleaning supplies, maximizing vertical space. Built-in cabinets and shelves can provide custom storage options that blend seamlessly with your decor. A clutter-free space feels more open and inviting, making it easier to enjoy your home. Furniture arrangement and traffic flow. Proper furniture arrangement is key to promoting easy movement and a natural flow in small spaces. Avoid blocking pathways with bulky furniture and ensure there's enough space to move around comfortably. Consider the function of each area and arrange your furniture to support those activities. Using rugs to define different areas in an open-plan space can create a sense of structure and organization. For example, a rug under the seating area can distinguish the living room from the dining area. This visual separation helps each zone feel distinct and functional, even in a compact space. By thoughtfully arranging your furniture, you can enhance both the usability and aesthetic appeal of your home. Personal touches and decor. Finally, adding personal touches and decor can transform a small space into a warm and inviting home. Display your favorite photos, artwork, and souvenirs to infuse your personality into the space. Plants are a wonderful addition, bringing life and freshness to any room. Choose decor items that reflect your style and make you happy every time you walk into the room. Whether it's a cozy throw blanket, a piece of art that inspires you, or a unique piece of furniture, these personal touches can make your space feel uniquely yours. By carefully curating your decor, you can create a small space that is both stylish and deeply personal. That's it for today's video on small space decorating and interior ideas. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.